What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. Now today I am bringing you our cigar of the week, which this week comes from the most eagerly anticipated cigar launch of 2019, the Orchant Seleccion by Drew Estate. And I've got the heavyweight here, which is a 5 1/4 by 46. We also have the middleweight, which is a 4 1/2 by 46, and the lightweight, which is a 3 1/2 by 46. And as I've said, these were so eagerly anticipated at our pre-launch during the summer. These sold out within minutes, and we're so happy that we're able to bring this incredible blend to you. Now the wrapper is a Stalk Cut Connecticut wrapper. It's got an Indonesian Sumatran binder and a Nicaraguan, Dominican, Connecticut and Indonesian fillers. What a mixture. But the flavours, let me tell you about them. Let me get cut into this. I'm going to be back in a few minutes. Let's see where this goes. You're not going to want to miss it. So guys, I'm just about into the first third of this cigar, and I've been treated with some phenomenal, almost, you know, if you ever get the chance, and I don't necessarily suggest that you do, but this is something you're going to get, is coffee beans. You know, if you ever get the chance to just try a coffee bean straight away, unground, just as it comes, or you know, an espresso martini or something like that, you're getting those espresso notes, those real deep, rich, complex flavours, and as always with any Drew Estate cigar, plumes of smoke coming off this thing. The construction is impeccable, the draw phenomenal. I can wax lyrical about this cigar until the cows come home. And that is why Mitchell sat down with Jonathan Drew and we decided that we wanted to bring the Orchant Seleccion Drew Estate to the UK market. So much so that there's a little rumour that Jonathan Drew smokes these almost every single day. And he's kept some to the side just so he can do that. I've constantly been in touch with the guys over at Drew Estate and they want these out in the US, but we've got them in the UK, especially for you, exclusive to CGars Ltd. I'm going to sit and enjoy this. I'm going to see where it goes. The flavours are really starting to open up. I'm going to see what else I get out of it, and I'll see you in a few seconds. So guys, I'm nearly at the end of my time with this cigar. I've kind of sat back and really just enjoyed it. There's been some buttery toast notes that have came through. That essential Nicaraguan mineraliness that you can almost chew it is so beautiful and so palatable. It just coats your mouth in unbelievable flavours, and like I said, I can wax lyrical about these cigars till the cows come home, and they are available at an unbelievable price. You will not believe how much these cigars cost. You want to pick yourself up some now, head over to the website. It's cigars.com, that's cgars.com. And if you've liked this video, as always, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget, hit that notification bell if you want to find out our latest videos, when they happen and when they come up. You're not going to want to miss what we've got coming up this week and the rest of this month as we move into Christmas. We've got some unbelievable deals for you all. But until next time, please take care of yourselves. Peace.